Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to set face lock in our Motorola phone. Guys, you want to set your face lock in your Motorola phone, where you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set face lock in our Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys. So guys, now let's see how to set face lock. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to set your face lock. Then guys, scroll and guys, you can see security settings. So guys, tap here. Then guys, you can see your face unlock settings, setup face lock. So guys, tap here and guys, you can see this like guys, you will have to choose any pattern, pin and password one. So example for guys, we will take pattern, we will go with pattern guys, and guys we will draw any pattern. And guys, now you can see done, and guys you can see setup, next. And guys, now we will have to wait guys. So while I am going to pause video guys, so I show your face. After show face guys, you can see this next option. So I tap here and guys, you can see this done option. So guys, face lock will set in your Motorola phone. Then guys, you can use your face lock in your Motorola phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to set face lock in our Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will return guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.